Hey there, fellow seekers of extraordinary dreams. Welcome back to our channel for an awe-inspiring revelation. Today, I have something truly extraordinary to share with you, the awe-inspiring art of lucid dreaming, unveiled through the mesmerizing wake-back-to-bed technique. Before we embark on this enchanting journey, let's unravel the captivating essence of lucid dreaming. Imagine a realm where you become conscious of your dreams while immersed within them, a personal virtual reality where you possess the power to shape and explore your nocturnal adventures to the fullest extent of your imagination. Get ready to unlock the secrets of this extraordinary experience that blurs the boundaries between dreams and reality. Now, brace yourself for the revelation of a potent method, known as the wake-back-to-bed technique, or WBTB for short, a key that will amplify your chances of embarking on lucid dream voyages. Together, let's delve into the intricacies of this technique, step by step, and discover the gateway to a world where your dreams become your masterpiece. When it comes to setting your intention for lucid dreaming, it's about establishing a strong focus and determination to become aware within your dreams. By setting your intention before sleep, you prime your mind to recognize the dream state and trigger lucidity. Let me give you an example to illustrate this concept. Imagine that before you go to bed, you take a few moments to sit quietly and visualize yourself becoming aware within a dream. See yourself in a vivid dream environment, fully conscious and aware that you are dreaming. Engage your senses in this visualization, feel the textures, hear the sounds, and immerse yourself in the dream world. As you do this, repeat affirmations such as "I will be aware in my dreams" or "I will recognize when I am dreaming." By doing so, you are instilling a clear intention in your subconscious mind. By visualizing and affirming your intention, you are programming your mind to seek out lucidity during your dream experiences. This practice enhances your dream recall and creates a stronger connection between your waking and dreaming awareness. Remember, the more vividly you can imagine and feel yourself as lucid within a dream, the more likely you are to manifest that experience. Setting your intention is a powerful tool that aligns your conscious and subconscious mind, paving the way for lucid dreaming adventures. It strengthens your focus and increases the likelihood of achieving lucidity during your dream journeys. Set an alarm clock to wake you up after about 4 to 6 hours of sleep. This specific timing is crucial because it targets the period when REM sleep, the stage where most dreaming occurs, becomes more frequent. By interrupting your sleep during this REM-rich phase, you create an opportunity to enhance your chances of having a lucid dream. Setting an alarm clock represents a pivotal moment in the WBTB technique. It marks the transition from regular sleep to a brief period of wakefulness, allowing you to reset your mind, reinforce your intention for lucid dreaming, and prepare yourself for the subsequent return to sleep. This intentional disruption of your sleep pattern can greatly increase the likelihood of having lucid dreams during the following sleep cycle. When the alarm goes off, it's important to resist the temptation to hit the snooze button and instead get out of bed. This step serves the purpose of interrupting your sleep cycle and creating a temporary period of wakefulness. By doing so, you allow your mind to become more alert and your body to break away from deep sleep. During this waking period, it's essential to engage in activities that keep your mind awake and active without overstimulating it. The aim is to strike a balance between maintaining alertness and promoting relaxation to facilitate an easier transition back to sleep. Here are a few suggested activities. 1. Reading about lucid dreaming. Take the opportunity to read books, articles, or online resources about lucid dreaming. Immerse yourself in the fascinating knowledge and experiences of other lucid dreamers. Reading about lucid dreaming not only keeps your mind focused on the topic but also serves as a source of inspiration and motivation for your upcoming lucid dream practice. 2. Mindful meditation. Engage in calming practices such as mindfulness or meditation. Find a comfortable and quiet space where you can sit or lie down and focus on your breath or a specific point of attention. The goal is to bring awareness to the present moment, calm your mind, and enhance your overall self-awareness. This can help create an optimal mental state for re-entering the dream world later on. 3. Reflection and intention setting. Take a few moments to reflect on your dream experiences or any dream signs that you have noticed. Reflecting on your dreams helps to strengthen your dream recall and enhances your awareness of dream patterns and symbols. Use this time to reaffirm your intention to become lucid in your upcoming dreams. 4. Gentle physical activity. Engage in light physical activities such as stretching or gentle yoga. These activities can help wake up your body and increase blood flow, promoting alertness while avoiding excessive exertion that might hinder your ability to fall back asleep easily. It's crucial to avoid bright lights or screens during this waking period, as they can interfere with your sleep quality and make it harder to fall back asleep. Exposure to bright light suppresses the release of melatonin, a hormone that promotes sleepiness. Instead, opt for dimmer lighting or engage in activities that don't involve electronic screens. The purpose of staying awake for a short period is to increase your chances of entering the lucid dream state when you return to sleep. By engaging in mindful and stimulating activities while maintaining a relaxed state, you create an ideal mental and physical environment for the upcoming dream phase. Remember, the duration of the waking period can vary depending on personal preference and experience. Experiment with different lengths of time to find what works best for you. With practice, you'll develop a better sense of timing that maximizes your chances of experiencing lucid dreams. During the awake period, it's crucial to keep your attention and focus on the goal of having a lucid dream. This step is all about reinforcing your intention and priming your mind for the upcoming dream phase. The purpose of focusing on lucid dreaming during the awake period is to heighten your awareness and establish a strong connection between your waking and dreaming consciousness. By engaging in activities that keep lucidity at the forefront of your mind, you are effectively programming your subconscious to recognize and respond to the dream state. Remember, the awake period is a precious opportunity to strengthen your intention, deepen your knowledge, and fine-tune your mental state before returning to sleep. Embrace this time to immerse yourself in the world of lucid dreaming, cultivating a mindset that sets the stage for vivid and conscious dream experiences. After spending around 20 to 60 minutes in the awake period, it's time to transition back to sleep. The purpose of going back to sleep after the awake period is to enter the dream phase while maintaining the intention and awareness cultivated during the previous steps. Here are some suggestions for going back to sleep. 1. Relaxation techniques. Use relaxation techniques to help you drift back into sleep. Deep breathing exercises can be particularly effective in calming the mind and body. Take slow, deep breaths, focusing on each inhale and exhale. This helps to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and preparing your body for sleep. 2. Progressive muscle relaxation. Engage in progressive muscle relaxation, the technique where you systematically tense and relax each muscle group in your body. Start from your toes and work your way up to your head, tensing and then releasing the tension in each muscle group. This practice helps release physical tension, promotes a sense of relaxation, and facilitates the transition into sleep. 3. Create a sleep-conducive environment. Ensure your sleep environment is comfortable, quiet, and free from distractions. Dim the lights or use soft, ambient lighting to create a soothing atmosphere. Adjust the temperature and make sure your bedding and pillows are comfortable and supportive. Creating an optimal sleep environment enhances the likelihood of falling back asleep easily. 4. Maintain awareness. As you drift back to sleep, try to maintain a gentle level of awareness. This means keeping your focus on your intention to become lucid in your dreams. Remind yourself of your desire to recognize when you are dreaming and stay present with the experience as you transition into the dream state. This heightened awareness increases the chances of becoming lucid within your dreams. As you drift back to sleep, it's important to maintain your awareness and intention to become lucid within your dreams. This step allows you to carry the focused mindset from the awake period into the dream state. Here are some suggestions for inducing lucidity. 1. Repeat affirmations. As you fall asleep, silently repeat affirmations that reinforce your intention to become aware within your dreams. Examples of affirmations include "I will be aware in my dreams," "I recognize when I am dreaming," or "I am conscious within my dreams." The repetition of these affirmations helps to program your subconscious mind and strengthen your intention to experience lucidity. 2. 61-point relaxation technique. The 61-point relaxation technique, also known as the body scan, is a practice that helps deepen relaxation and promote a calm mental state as you fall asleep. Starting from your toes, mentally scan your body, bringing attention to each body part and consciously relaxing it. Progressively move upward, relaxing each body part, until you reach the top of your head. This technique helps release tension and promotes a sense of tranquility, aiding in the transition to the dream state. The purpose of inducing lucidity during the falling asleep process is to maintain your focus and intention to become aware within your dreams. By utilizing affirmations and the 61-point relaxation technique, you increase the likelihood of having lucid dreams. Unlocking the ethereal wonders of lucid dreaming requires a delicate balance of patience and practice. Do not be discouraged if you don't achieve immediate success with the mesmerizing WBTB technique. Rome wasn't built in a day, after all. Persist in your endeavors, document your dreams in a captivating journal, and continue your exploration of this extraordinary realm. As you embark on this enchanting journey, may your dreams be filled with endless possibilities. If you're hungry for more dreamy content and crave further wisdom on lucid dreaming, remember to click that alluring subscribe button. Thank you for immersing yourself in this transformative experience, and may your dreams forever be a canvas for your imagination to paint upon. Happy dreaming, and until we meet again.